Hey guys, this is V-Weeks 181 and
Superman Marquise.
yeah, we're just going down to the creek. Oh, we saw a deer down in the fields behind the houses. This is like a magical place. So, yeah, we're gonna get down to the creek, get some more creek fishing done. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, well, let's get down here and get back to you when we get a fish. Cool. Alright guys, Marquise has got the first fish.
Nice one.
Nice to bring some fish. Alright. Show them to the camera.
See guys. Wow, I barely got him. It was like I snagged him. I'm for real, look.
He got him under his lip. Alright. Alright guys, we was over here pitching at this hole right there, and Marquise has caught a nice sunfish. Alright, we'll get back to you. We're heading downstream now. Alright, Marquise is a true trooper. He just snatched this fish out of the water. I'm thinking he's dead. So
we'll see.
Let's put him back, we'll see.
Oh wait, he's dead.
You're a faker.
Whoa, that's a big crawfish. Is it? No, this is a big crawfish.
Catfish. This is the third one we saw today. Third or second?
Second.
Yeah, second catfish we've seen today. That's pretty cool. So maybe we'll get some catfish bait down here one day. Alright. Alright guys, I just caught my first fish. We heading back home actually, and I caught him. Alright. Yeah. Thanks for watching.